you want to learn about ideating your new project? Do you think you have difficulty in trying to find out your problem statement for your startup? If so, this is the video for you. Now, every startup needs to address a problem statement. The reason for that is that every startup needs to create value to people through its proposed solutions. We always compare businesses by their valuation, where we go like Duolingo is valued at 15 billion US dollars or Candy Crush at $7 billion. But there is a reason why companies are valued at that point. It's because of the value they provide to people. Often the assumption is that businesses are profits and losses, but it's really not. It's a lot more about people than you think. So imagine that the value of a business could be through how you can change a person's life. I like to think of changes as disruptions. A prime example in the current market is lovable and similar AI agents. The guys who created these companies changed the way MVPs work in the current generation. In fact, I think a lot of huge business owners in the current age of technology often emphasize how much easier it has gotten to start a startup. But the question really is, how do you find your startup? Now, personally, I faced this issue myself. I really didn't understand how problems are tackled and how they need to be addressed. In fact, I struggled for months before I could have decided how to do it. But I want to let you in on a secret that's going to comfort you. Once you figure out how to notice problems, it's like a compounding effect. You don't stop seeing issues, and you can't unthink yourself out of creating that mindset, which is a good thing as an entrepreneur. So the first thing I started to do is try to address personal issues. Now, you may not notice it, but a lot of the times we as individuals face so many issues that we can solve ourselves. Now, an example I can give you is my own service app that I'm building. It's a grocery scanner where it calculates the sum of our groceries before you go to the checkout. I struggled with this issue for ages, but I didn't realize that I could fix it myself. The other thing you can do is literally just ask around. So many people have different experiences in life. So oftentimes they share their issues with you and they don't realize it's really fixable. All it takes is a step in the right direction. Entrepreneurs are problem solvers. So they are supposed to spot issues like how Harry Potter spots the snitch. So just asking around casually can help you so much. Now finally, validate it. In this day and age where MVPs are so quick and so easy to build, people undervalue the power of technology and the speed they have to push through to get it done. A lot of entrepreneurs and business owners emphasize this a lot. So it's your time to start. Build your MVPs as quick as possible. That way you can validate it quicker as well. So you know whether this is something that people face as an issue or not. Starter Story is one great example of trying to figure out how people address issues. So all you have to do is follow their steps. I recommend you go check out their videos and try to get inspired by the people in them. Validation can easily be asking more people through Reddit, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and even your own social circle. So just make sure to put in 1% effort more every single day trying to find your ideas. Now, once you figure out problems right in front of you, it's literally unlearnable. You start noticing problems everywhere and finding solutions for it at the same time. All you have to do is just keep noting it down to solve it when the right time comes so that you can focus on one problem at a time. That's how you ideate and solve. I hope this video has got you hooked into entrepreneurship, because the more you learn about solving a problem, the more you're motivated to actually solve it. So that's what this channel really is about. I'm about to share my journey in entrepreneurship with you as I go, so make sure to subscribe and stay updated in the channel. And if you want to learn more about how MVPs can be made with AI, make sure to click on one of my other videos in the same channel. Stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be more about prototyping your product to launch it.